Hey everyone, Christian here from Bold Trail at Caravan Repair Centre, and welcome to Chatting Caravans with Christian. So in this video, what I'm going to do is explain to you why it is important to change the rear seals on your caravan drums. So we get a lot of requests of people who don't want their bearings checked, they just want their brakes adjusted or checked. Now, what you need to remember is for us to check your brakes and your brake linings, we need to remove the drums. When we remove the drums, we're removing the rear seal from the axle stub, and that can sometimes get damaged. So the last thing you want to do is put a damaged rear seal back onto a stub, which can potentially damage bearings if they get contaminated. So when we say we service a caravan, or when we say that we won't just look at your brakes, or if we do say we will look at your brakes, we'll always replace your rear seal, because the last thing we want is for your bearings to get contaminated over time. So just be wary. When someone says that they'll check your brakes for you, make sure that they are also going to replace your rear seal, because it's very important that your bearings don't get contaminated, because we want you out there enjoying the great outdoors and not getting broken down on the side of the road.